Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Oppo. First of all, you need to find Clock app, and when you find it, click on it. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Following that, click on those three dots at the top right one, click on Settings, and adjust all of those under Alarms however you wish to, like ring duration. Then go back and add your alarm thanks to this plus icon. At the top, you need to set up an hour, and then pick ring once or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can select days of the week manually. I will go with Fridays and Mondays. When you finished, click on alarm name and label your alarm however you want to. Then click on this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. When you're ready, tap on ringtone and set up the best option for you. You can click on Weather Adaptive, select Spotify and log in to your account. Choose on this device and pick music from your smartphone. Or tap on one of those system ringtones. Whatever you do, when you're ready, go back. Now tap on snooze. Manage it thanks to this switcher. And if you decide to turn it on, pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Finally, go back and tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. Then picking one of those options. In order to turn it back on, click on the same, now gray one. You can also delete your alarm by holding it and choosing delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!